Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's Recipe Tuesday. So usually on Recipe Tuesdays I post recipes, right? If you're new, well hi, I didn't say hi to you guys. Okay, so yeah, usually I post recipes on Recipe Tuesdays, but I have this video that's been in my phone for a while now that I really wanted to show with you guys because I tried out these energy bars. So that's what you're about to see next. Alright, so subscribe if you haven't already and let's jump into this video. So basically I woke up maybe an hour ago and I took my shower, brushed my teeth, all that good stuff, you know, hygiene, all that. No makeup on, feeling confident. But I'm gonna be doing my makeup to go out because I like to do my makeup on the weekends. And basically today I'm taking you guys along with me. I'm doing a little vlog. I got a few things to do and I'm gonna be doing what I ate in a day, and I'm gonna be reviewing these two energy bars that was sent to me. I got my bottle of water. I'm all pink. Oh my god. These are the two bars that were sent to me. The first one I'm going to be trying is the morning fiber one since I just woke up. And then throughout the day I'm going to be trying the midday energy one to give you guys the full review on the product to see if it works. Okay guys, I'm going to start eating it. I am so afraid. Well, apple cinnamon. I like apple and cinnamon, so maybe yeah, it might be good. So this is the proof. You see it? It says the morning fiber. Bonjour fibre. So let's start. It's pretty sticky, like if you touch it like that, so I'm going to keep the wrapper. This is what it looks like. Looks hella healthy. It's kind of grainy. By the way, it came in this baby right here. There's a hair. Oh my god. Okay. Overall, it's good. I like it. You know that it's a protein bar because it has like that grainy feel to it, but it's not that bad. But really, I want to test out if I'm really going to have energy because like right now I'm tired. I slept maybe like 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours. I was aiming to 8, but I don't know why. And this company is Canadian, so represent Canada. Yeah, I actually like it. And to be honest, not something I'd be like, oh my god, I need to have this. Unless if like I really get good results from it, maybe I'm gonna be like, I gotta have it. But taste wise, it's good. If you're a vegan or non-vegan or someone that works out a lot, this might be the thing for you. So I already have my breakfast planned, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be making for breakfast. So this is my breakfast. Look at that. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. So after my breakfast, I'm just gonna go to pick up my hair supply thingies. Walk around, you know, Montreal. I'm gonna go to the thrift shop, pick up some few things, hopefully, because I know there's a thrift shop not too far. So I might just. And excuse me for the noise in the background. My family's just crazy. It's the weekend. Dear Lord. You couldn't have given me a better family than this. I'm disappointed. I wish I was living alone, but can't afford it. Brokey. Brokey, broke. And then you guys are gonna see me eat my Adder energy bar while I'm shopping. And I'm gonna carry some snacks with me because I'm not sure if I'm gonna have lunch. This is kind of like my lunch situation just because it's a big breakfast. I had my bar from the morning and I'm having this, so I don't think I need anything more. And by the way, for the bar, I ate it and I was still feeling sleepy. Like, I was making my breakfast and I'm like, okay, after this I'm definitely gonna take a nap before I go back out because I'm tired. But now I feel energized. So after this I'm gonna do my makeup, fix this hair situation, and yeah, head out the door. So I'm pretty much ready. I'm heading outside to go get my stuff, so follow me, guys. Okay, so I took off my lipstick. I knew it wouldn't last long because I get annoyed really quick. But yeah, this is the overall look. I got my checkered white outfit with my little beanie. LA, rep your city. I'm gonna bring this little bag with me. Bratz bag. Like, I've had this for forever. Because I know I'm a Bratz doll, obviously. I look like a Bratz doll. Don't I look like a Bratz doll? Okay. Show you guys my Bratz. Let me show you guys. So this is my Bratz squad. There's a lot of them. Some are behind.
So you see here, Bratz again. Bratz game that I bought recently. Bratz again.
So I'm gonna bring this with me. Pack my snacks in, this right here. Look at my drip. I'm out. There's a lot of snow, guys. Ew, I'm not even down for this. Now I'm in my car. So basically I'm just driving to the auto park where I'm gonna park my car because I'm gonna be taking public transportation. But I like to walk. I'm a healthy chick, yo. So what are you guys doing today? What do you guys do on your days off? Do you guys change your hair color? Do you touch yourself? You can tell me, it's okay. I won't tell anybody. What do you do? This thing will say you know what I despise? You know what I despise about winter in freaking Canada? You can never find parking, and you know why? It's freaking because people take up more space just because it's a winter. This is what the bus pass looks like in my area. What does your bus pass look like? Let me know. So let's go. We got a little Bratz bag. Guys, I have candies right here. Okay, well, they're super hard.
That's what she said.
I wish I could eat them, but I'm being healthy. These are really delicious, actually. So if ever you see them, pick them up. All right, I read the ingredients. There's no gelatin, no nothing, whatever. So it's vegan friendly. So let's go. I'm just walking down to the hair supply store. I don't think I'm gonna go thrifting just because, yeah, I'm running out of time. And I'm supposed to watch my friend's Twitch. What is that called? Like, she's a streamer type thing. I don't know anything about that, but I'm gonna be watching that, so that should be fun. Also, I'm very hungry, but I don't know where I can sit down and eat. So basically, I'm just gonna eat it now just because I'm really hungry and I can't wait. And I'm never gonna find a spot to sit, so let's do it now. I'm not a huge fan of chocolate. Maybe that's why I don't really like this one. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But I'm still gonna eat the whole thing just because I am hungry and I wanna review the full capability of the product. Also, it has the same grainy feel as the Apple one. So yeah, your girl was looking for some braiding here because I want to get some braids done hopefully one day. Montreal! So basically I'm just walking back to the metro. Put my stuff in the bag. My hair products. So I am back seizing the car. Enjoying my apple doo-doo-doo. Apple doo-doo-doo. It is now 6:13. I wish I was home 3 hours ago. So I'm gonna be making like a kind of sweet situation of chickpeas. I feel like having like a savory sweet thingy, if that makes any sense. I want that with a side of potatoes.
Potatoes, I love potatoes, beans, greens, tomatoes, potatoes, you name it.
Wait, pause. I'm not going to be showing you guys the process of this recipe just because I did post a similar recipe to this one, the Chinese New Year recipe that I did, that vegan Chinese recipe. So make sure you check that out if you want that recipe. And yeah, sorry about that, guys. Make sure you check the link in my description box so you can find out the better version of this recipe. back home, finally gonna eat. I'm watching my friend, the BrownCatWoman, on Twitch. Give her a follow. I don't know how those things work, but I'm watching her right now because I said I was gonna watch her, and she's pretty funny. So give her a check. It's my first time. My first time watching her, and go girl.
Delicious.
I'm super tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna take a little nap and I'm gonna wake up and finish the video for you guys.
Got it.
Good morning, guys. Finally that nap became a sleep of eternity. Well, this is a smash cut for the end. Basically, this company is called Yofiit. Like I said, it's a Canadian company, alright? And they also sell other products. I see right here that they have 3 other energy bars. The one that I had was the morning fiber, which was the apple cinnamon one, and the one that I also had was the midday energy one, which was a chocolate goji quinoa one. Alright, so the apple one was my favorite one just because I love apple and cinnamon. It's a nice combo. It did give me energy to start off my day. Like I said, at one point I felt like I lost my energy, but after it came right up. And usually, like, after breakfast when I eat, I get tired sometimes. So I was like, this is perfect. Like, I didn't have to take a nap. For the chocolate one, I don't know. I can't really speak for it. But flavor-wise, it wasn't my favorite just because it was chocolate. And that is not my favorite type of thing. Like, I'm really picky vegan. So maybe if it was a different flavor, I would enjoy it more. And did it give me more energy? I am not sure because I was so tired. Yes, I should have tried it on a day that I was fully energized, but my life is just so hectic. You guys need to understand. I'm always on the run. For the apple one, I would give it 8.5 on 10 just because I wish it was sweeter. Alright, but it is healthy for you and it's good for you to go to the gym. So I do advise you get the morning one because in the morning that's where you need the most boost, I find. So if I was you, I would probably opt to that one. The chocolate one, I would give it like a 5 out of 10 just because, like I said, nah, like chocolate is just not for me. Maybe if it was another flavor, I might have enjoyed it more. And just because I am not sure if it gave me energy, and it didn't give me enough energy to stay awake. I also saw on their website that they sell protein chickpea milk, so you just want to go check that out. I'll leave everything down in the description box so you guys could go press their link and check out what they have. And no, this video isn't sponsored, so I'm giving you my 100% real review. They contacted me to review the product and I accepted. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, I'll see you guys next time on Storytime Sunday. Okay, I love you guys so much. Stay blessed and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Bye.